Oh, my Beatrix Potter antique I got from Mould, and that's the Temu Angel for my mother. The pleasures of emptying your container from Llay Homestead Garage Container Storage. It's been there for months and months. Yes, Beatrix Potter of the Lake District, sitting on books, a rabbit. Hardly anything broken in that container. Of course, I'm doing the moving, so to ensure that. Right, what else is new? My t-shirt from Temu with the splendid colourful hens. What beautiful animals. In the wild, of course, they fly dozens of miles, not like the ones we breed here. This is brass, made of a shell from wars, and of course I have from Oswestry charity shop or somewhere, Llangollen, I think. It was, yes, Llangollen, handmade crochet poppies. And this, yes, it has the number of the shell it was. Terrible things. Terrible things made into something pretty beautiful. Now that's a Welsh lady. We were debating last night what that. I thought the hat was too short, but no. And of course the owl, and no pussycat on that one, but he's sitting on books too. Now those, I love that little set. That's definitely a French elegant lady with that hairdo. I mean, that hairdo, you could nest house, and that's a Scottish collie, and that is a superbly intelligent poodle. The German means puddle dog. They love water. Well, of course, in contrast, some kind of beautiful frog, yeah, with an umbrella, which is a bit anthropomorphology. Anthro is when you ascribe human qualities to animals. I mean, you know, frogs don't wear human clothing, nor do. Anyway, so I found all these beautiful things, and I'm back. That's my lunch, packed lunch, to go back to Homestead Garage, and yeah, basically. Oh yeah, of course, I couldn't forget. I washed it by hand. My beautiful Welsh. Everyone comments it's a Welsh cape, and it's absolutely the pattern, everything. It's very Celtic, and keeps you incredibly warm. It's lined, of course. It has a belt, but I prefer it without. Like to breathe, get the air moving. Anyway, beautiful thing, beautiful thing. Lovely colours. Whenever I wore it, I used to go up to Ponderosa above Llangollen and to the cafe, but of course that's shut forever now. God knows why. I mean, you know, how you can't make something commercial out of such a fantastic spot at the top of Horseshoe Pass, I don't know. But anyway, oh, well, that's that. You finished now, have you? Yes, you have. Yeah, that's from Temu. Lovely. It's quite light. It's but I mean, it's a beautiful thing. The light of the world with a lamp. Anyway, my mother has lots of cock things, and I brought her one from Sala, a fridge magnet, and she hadn't got the Eiffel Tower, so I gave her that yesterday. Oh God, my oven cleaning. Well, you know, no one can clean ovens as best as this man can, wherever he is, but, you know, couldn't. Anyway, whatever, she has lots of fridge magnets. Oh, that's a nice one. I might have given her that one. Anyway, anything that's nice, I give her, of course. I don't know what that, I can't read it. Anyway, but the butterfly, I can remember that one. And now we've got Sala of the Perigord, Gordonshire, as they nickname it, the southwest France, and the Eiffel Tower. Fantastic stuff. And Mona Lisa La Joconde. Voila, but I mean, you know, the whole place is covered in Eiffel Towers, isn't it? Yeah, well, that's what happens when you have a frog. They bring their culture with them. Yes, of course, yeah, I could not forget. I washed you as well last night. Yeah.